the entrance to the complex where I live. They didn't go up in the tree. That's the garbage bin looking good. Yeah. All the way down the sidewalk. Season's greetings. Really makes you feel a warm welcome. For those of you who celebrate the holiday season. And yes, there are little stars hanging over here. So they did a nice job of decorating this entranceway. So, yeah, they make us wear those masks in here. And I just wanted to put a quick video. Is the season to be jolly, as they say, and remember the reason for the season. And yeah, keep everyone happy, make the kids happy. We'll see you soon.